Wrist Mickey Balloon Tutorial. First, make two 2-finger double bubbles and intertwine them. Thread the balloon rubber through the middle. Twist a single 4-finger bubble. Continue with the same method to twist two 2-finger single bubbles. Wrap one loop bubble around the two bubbles to form a ring bubble. Wrap around the knot. A 4-finger single bubble. Continue making a loop twist using the same method. Make another 4-finger single bubble. The remaining end of the balloon is wrapped around another knot. Adjust the shape. Create a double ear twist with the red balloon. Pull the neck and wrap around 2 ear TIs. Create a 3-finger loop bubble. Let's make another 3-finger loop bubble. Release excess gas. Tie a tight knot. The bow is secured to the base with adhesive dots. Go ahead and give it a try.